Today I will show you how to set up an autonomous agent that can scrape the web and then organize the data into Google Sheets. Remember that you can use a simple search as you would in Google. This is because ExactAgent is already plugged into Google Search API. Okay, let's say I wanted to create a sneakerhead agent. This agent would search different auction sites and sneaker websites and find me good deals on collectible rare sneakers, then arrange all that information into Google Sheets. Once it spots a good deal, it can send me an email. So let's try the prompt. Create an AI agent that scrapes the web to find good deals on rare sneakers, puts the price of the sneakers, link and model into a Google Sheet, then sends me an email once a good deal is found. ExactAgent automatically builds the workflow. Now I just need to connect my Google Spreadsheets account, click the Credentials dropdown, and select Create. Enter a credential name. This can be anything that helps you recognize it later. Then click the Create button. You'll be redirected to a Google authorization page. Follow the steps to grant permissions. If you need more details, click the Learn More button on the page. Once you're ready, click Continue to accept the permissions, and you'll be redirected back to ExactAgent. Then attach that to an existing agent in this case. That's it. You can see the agent working and their activity. Let the deals roll in.